go. Now go to the right hand side. Let's practice coming down the right hand side if you have to. If you don't want to go down the right lane, do we? Make sure you check your mirrors as you come across. Signal. This one's signalling. So it's very short, this slip road, isn't it? So you can't really... Are you happy with what you see?
Yeah.
Right, now you can accelerate away then.
Boom. Gear change.
Straight to 6 then.
I've just did 4th to 5th, Richard.
No, you did 4th to
4th
6.
to 6th.
Yeah. Why not? They brought 3rd gear up to 60. You could have even blocked it 3rd to 6th then, actually.
Yeah. Check my mirror every...
Yeah, just check your mirrors. Well, you get to it, I want to know what's around this car. That's the thing. You're checking your mirrors because I want to know what's around this car. Not because I've been told to. Can you speed up 70 then? Yeah, when we went down that dual carriageway, the car was seeing like 62, 60. You would be fine just sit behind that car. Now, because what can happen is, cars go up, they go speed up, you're then marooned a bit outside.
Yeah.
You can only bring a car to test if it's capable of doing 62 miles an hour. So that kind of demonstrates that's the speed they want to be able to see you at least doing.
Yeah.
When it's safe to do so. So if a car's doing 65, you're fine.
Yeah.
So if you're following this Mini down there at 63 miles an hour, you're fine. No, don't. We're going to Market Harbour. If you look ahead there.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, this will be fun. Watch this too. No, don't come in. Where are you taking? We're fastening brakes. We're fastening them, aren't we?
Yeah.
Just a learner. I'll be out you. No, Martha, you're not just a learner, are you? You're a full licence holder in everything but for name. So tomorrow you're just going to come down and justifiably change your status of who you are. Not changing who you are, because you are who you are.
Yeah.
You are as good as it. Do you need me in the car? That's all, do you? Well, at 70 if you can. Now you got past those cars, a lot more safe. Get your speed up. Happy to come in?
Yeah.
In you come then. I mean, let's be pragmatic. So, ever since the fruits. No, that wasn't that one. Is that the Professor Green version? Where it goes so slowly. Do you want me to do the Professor Green bit?
No, that part.
He's the bloke comes on and goes, raps over it. So, here you go then. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, overtake. That car's miles away. That's like the Mini coming out. You wouldn't go, oh! Would you, down there? Right, not gaining on the red car, are we?
No.
Get in there. Do you only know the chorus? Do you know the other bit? Keep going. Oh, that bit.
Come on, you gotta have when you're biting your tongue.
Do you actually know a song with the lyrics? Better now. Now you left that quite late to slow down. That car was there, you couldn't come out. easy back. Maybe lay off for media sand day tomorrow. Tomorrow, do you know?
I don't think it's raining.
Don't think it's raining.
Windy.
Coming off here, Martha. Read a number plate of those glasses, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you look like the person in your driving licence.
Yeah.
Good.
When do they ask you about the number plate thing?
Right at the beginning.
Like, it's not whilst you... Is it whilst you're driving?
No. You go into the car and say, which one's your car? They'll know which one your car is, obviously.
Yeah.
And they go, can you read the number plate of that blue car there, please?
Okay.
And just read it from the other side of the car park. Turn it right, please.
From the other side?
Yeah.
How far away is
20
that?
metres.
What's 20 metres like this?
About here to...
The side?
About double that distance now. As that car... Oh, that's a shame. I say, as that car goes away... It's not going to.
Bloody. Did you see that?
Yeah, I did see that.
What did he do?
He wanted to go down there.
Was it his tyres screeched?
Yeah. So rather than just go, oops, turn the car around, add a minute to his journey, he decided to sort of do a handbrake turn. These things are so well from anywhere, can't they? I don't know.
He did have...
He's going to put ours on.
You could look in your...
Mapping. Martha.
Absolutely.
So it has a perception, hours, a minute or something.
Oh.
Anything else going to happen? Is a deer going to run across the
Look
road
in
or something?
your mirrors, you...
That's not his mirrors, that's just looking left and right,
okay,
wasn't it?
yeah, okay, even worse, look.
Just look,
You get taught that when you're